There's a problem in the chess world right now. There's a reason why certain top players like Levin Aronian are saying that they don't like playing against a certain type of 2600, let's say, that can compete at top level by only going for the draw and playing super dry and boring chess.
Maybe there's an argument that classical chess is probably not the best way to determine who the best chess player in the world is.
100%.
Yeah.
You know, if we think about this, if we take a well-disciplined guy, let's say a level of let's say 2600, who studies the, let's say, in the openings, improved Tarish, you know, CD, and he studies against D4 to play the Petrov 95-94. So basically, if we train a guy like this, he'll be able, let's say, in 80% of the time to make a draw against top 10 players.
Yeah.
And that's not what we want to see, I think, as chess fans. I don't want to see the weaker player completely neutralizing a stronger player.
Take the life out of the game to a certain degree.
Yeah. Then it becomes, I think, like there are certain sports that went into that, and then suddenly the sport became just too boring. I know a bit about wrestling.
Well, today we talk about a solution to that, the Venceslav Rutar scoring system. The other day I played a match against Greg Mustreader, a fellow content creator who has amassed 250k subs on his Russian YouTube channel. Very, very good guy. And we played a match for a very large sum of money. It was a very interesting match, very diverse in terms of openings, and tactically very nice, I thought. And I ended up dominating. But that match contained something very interesting, which was this particular scoring system. So this was the scoring system that was used in the match, which I found very interesting. It is to remove just like bad draws. In other words, in chess, you can have grandmaster draws, what we call, is when grandmasters just play and then just draw. And it's just a lame game in which the grandmasters don't try their best to push for that win. So this system I find was very interesting for those circumstances. And okay, a win is 5 points, a loss is 0 points. So instead of 1, it's 5 for a win, which is 5 times more points, and for a loss you're getting 0 points still. Nothing's changed. But this is the kicker. If you get a favored draw, so if a draw is agreed and only after the draw is agreed is the material counted, if the draw is agreed and you have more material than your opponent, you get what we call a favored draw, which was 3 points, and your opponent gets 1 point, so you get 2 points advantage. Very interesting. And in my opinion, this system is still not perfect against grandmaster draws because there's still neutral draw, which is 2 points. So let's say you play in the Lopez the very famous queen e6, queen e4 draw. I'll put it on the screen. And, you know, that happens to be a draw. Well, it's still 2-2. So it's still equal amount of points given because the material in that position is equal. So what do you think about this system? What do you think can be improved? What do you think is already good about it? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Here's to way more videos in Canada and a boost of this channel for the year 2025. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey, and so many more videos to come. I have a list right here, actually. Should I show you? I'll just show you from a big afar. It's a long list. I have probably 25 videos here, either already recorded or that is in the mix. I already have the footage, or I already have the idea, and it's just in the pipeline. So exciting things for 2025, and thank you so much for watching.